Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can wrap text in Google Sheets mobile application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a table in my Google Sheets mobile application. And for example, I'm going to apply wrap text to this column, this full name column. So first thing first, I'm going to select the column like this, and we can click on this A icon. I don't know what it is called, but just click on this icon and then you can scroll down a little bit until you find this wrap text icon. This is the symbol of wrap text tool you can use, and maybe in Google Sheets laptop or PC it's really easy to find this wrap text icon, but here in the Google Sheets mobile we need a little struggle to find this wrap text. Okay, just click on this icon and as you can see that now my table has been changed. I guess and that's how we can apply our wrap text in Google Sheets mobile application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.